Hello YouTube, this is my Lego gumball machine. Here we're gonna put in the coin. Here the gumball came out. And here, if you open here, the coin's going to be right in here. So now I'm going to show you that. Look there now. There the gumball. And here in is it. To refill it, you open here and push this back and take the cards. Now I'm going to show you how it works. First, I'm only going to open here a little bit. Oh, I'm only going to open a little bit. Wait. So now you can see. Oh, so now you can see here. I put the gumball on place like that, and when I look here, if I take out this, is gonna be look exactly. Look. Oh, there. You're going to see the coin came out. See that? And the coin are in there. Wait, I don't. And you can see here when you put in the coin, this go back like this, and there the gumball. So this is my Lego gumball machine. And thanks for watching. Bye.